Henry. And there's the guy that makes this all happen.
Watch out.
And there's Marley. Right down here. We brought the dogs with us. And there's Sissy asleep down below. Can't see very well. There's Andrew down here. Hanging out. Hey, buddy. Say hi. Good. He's watching from below here. Shadow's hiding behind Dad. It's less windy back there, I guess. Anyway, we are having a ball. It's very nice. Okay. There we go. Dad took some wood off of this. This is wood that Dad took off that he's going to remake. So it looks kind of funny, but it'll be pretty again. The teak was pretty worn, so we